Good morning world. I totally overslept because I had a really cold night, but I survived. Alright, now I have to pack up all the things. I took a shower this morning, so that was fine. Hopefully there won't be a big line at the borderline of Denmark, because it can be a really big line. Alright, first pack up all the things, go to the fuel station and the bakery and stuff, so a lot to do. See ya. Alright, everything is packed, so we can go. The weather is at least good, so I think it will be a relaxed, nice drive. Ah. 16 past 10 already, way too late. Oh. Hopefully it will be quiet at the border, so there will not be a really big queue. We'll see. I saw yesterday there was a bakery a little bit further, and hopefully it's open. It's Sunday. And is it open? Is it open? Ah, yes! Ah, just a couple of minutes. Alright, we've got some food. Now let's get some food for a bike. Let's hope we will make it. Ah, yes, fuel station. Hopefully is this one also open. Oh, yes. Looks like it. Yes! Great. Alright, we're all fueled up right now, so we can go to the border of Denmark. Alright, here we go. A little bit late, but oh well. To be honest, we have all the time in the world. Doesn't look like there's a big queue, so I think we're lucky. They're serious about speed, I think. And I think we are lucky that we have to stop. Oh, that's nice. Woo! Ah. Well, we are in Denmark. Yes! Land of Lego! Alright, now let's find a place where we can sit, relax, and have a breakfast. No. Nice. Oh, the weather is so nice today, luckily. I don't count on it that it will also be like this in Norway. People told me it can rain for days. So let's enjoy the good weather right now. This morning I bought a croissant and another thing with, I don't know. Nice. Right, let's find out where we have to go. Right, went to the supermarket for a quick stop. Need some lunch and some dinner for tonight. Some bread, strawberry jam. So, if I can get it open. I think there's actually real strawberries in there. Okay. Still need to go about 160 or 180 kilometers before we get to the camping. It's now just 1 o'clock, so we have all the time. So far it's going great. They don't have 98. Well, we have enough. So, up to the next one. Yeah, these machines, these boxer engines, they use 98. They can drive on 95, but they don't. They drive better on 98. Alright, up to the next one. $100. Huh. I think we're gonna fly. Alright, we're filled up again. Next up will be the camping. Hopefully we have some better rest than last night. And hopefully it will be less cold, but we will see. I think I saw something lying on the street right there. Yeah, what the f***? Oh, it's a small bird. Oh, hi buddy. Thank you. Oh, what happened to you, dude? Oh, check it out. Oh, What were you doing over there? I'd almost drive over you, man. Yeah, alright. What are we going to do with you? You look okay. But what are you doing over there? Ah. You look okay. Yeah. Are your feet okay? Your wing. Is your wing broken or not? No, I think you're okay. Yeah, what are we gonna do with you? Well, I can't take you with me, unfortunately. I think I'm gonna leave you somewhere safe, over there in the forest or something. I'll put you somewhere there in the forest, and you will be a little bit safer. Let's see, this branch look thick enough. Come on, dude. Ah, yes, your wings are fine, so that's good. Alright. Come on, dude. Get it over there. Oh, come on, dude. Ah, well, then I have to put you over here, dude. Come on. Ah. Ah. Oh. You seem safe over here, dude. Okay, stay strong. Okay, be strong, dude. Huh. Hopefully I saved him. Her. I don't know. Alright. Stay strong, buddy. There are all kind of small houses next to the lake over here. Or if it's the sea, it's also possible. Seems a really nice place to have a small house. Perfect location. Right. These shelters are also available for me, but I think I'm just gonna pitch up my tent. I don't want to be disturbed by a lot of mosquitoes tonight, so let's find a nice place for the tent. Oh, perfect. Well, we're finally at the camping. My tent is ready for the night. And this is my little office over here at the moment. Well, I thought it was going to be a really dull video again because I was only driving the freeway. But it turned out I could actually save a little bird. Hopefully it will make it for the night and will fly on for the rest of his life. Tomorrow we're going to do some other things, also on the bike, but not only driving the freeway. So, if you want to see, subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.